Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Fast Maze 3 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dan Fast and made by Cubic Dissection. The Fast Maze 3 has difficulty level 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all 4 pins and separate the 3 plates. So the goal is basically to take the puzzle apart so that you will have 7 parts in front of you. And then you have to put everything back together, and there are 2 options how to do that. The first one is quick and the second one is difficult. The first one will be to unscrew all the bolts, since you can do that in this puzzle, and then put all plates in the correct order, and then just put bolts in the corners and assemble them back. But that was the quick way. The difficult will be to solve the puzzle backwards, but it will be really difficult, since to take apart this puzzle you have to do 196 steps, including rotations, since this puzzle requires rotations and sometimes they are necessary in order to solve it. The Fast Maze 3 is a part of a Fast Maze puzzle series. There are 4 puzzles in this series: Fast Maze 0, Fast Maze 1, Fast Maze 2 and Fast Maze 3, where 0 is the easiest one and 3 is the hardest one. So this puzzle is just a nightmare. It will take you hours, maybe even days and weeks to figure out the way how to take the puzzle apart. And then you have to assemble everything back together. If you prefer to use the difficult way, it will take you a lot of time as well, since it will be just impossible to remember all the steps you did in order to solve the puzzle backwards quickly. As you can see, I can move the plates separately, and I can even try to rotate them. Maybe I will be even able to rotate the bottom plate. Let's see. No, I don't think that it will be easy to rotate it now, but you can see that it is possible, and at some point you will be able to rotate 1 or 2 or even 3 plates and change their positions, and it will affect the solution. And what's the best part about this puzzle is that when you solve it once, you can solve it again and you will have a different solution next time, since if you do different rotations, the solution will be different as well. And that means that you can play this puzzle again and again and again. And it has a perfect pocket size. That means that you can put it in your pocket, carry it with you all the time, and play with the puzzle whenever you have a time. When you're in a public transport, or when maybe you're just waiting for someone, you can grab the puzzle and try to solve it again. Or if you got stuck somewhere in the middle of solving the puzzle, you can leave it in the unsolved state, put it in your pocket, and then when you have time, take it again and try to continue the solution. So it's a great puzzle, and it is awesome series of puzzles. I'm a big fan of maze puzzles, and I solved both Fast Maze 1 and Fast Maze 2, but I'm still struggling to solve the Fast Maze 3, since it is extremely difficult. If you like the Fast Maze 3 puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to buy all puzzles from this series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.